Hello and welcome to Umbraco Learning Base. Jonathan here. In this video, I will show you how you can install Umbraco Forms on your Umbraco installation and get started with creating nice forms to your website. Great. Now let's get started. As you can see, I am here at my Umbraco project. Let's just open it up. As you can see, I don't have anything on it, so let's just open up the back office to Umbraco. Great. So now we open up the back office. Let's go to the Forms section up here. Click on it, and then here you can see we don't have anything because Forms is not installed yet. Let's click on the green button here, and it will redirect us to the Forms site on our Umbraco. On this page, we can see the latest changes for Umbraco Forms, as well as we can see how you can install Umbraco Forms using the command line. You can do it for both Umbraco 8 and Umbraco 9 and above. In this case, however, I'm going to install Umbraco Forms using Visual Studio. So let's go back and close down our project here. Let's go up to Tools up here and to the NuGet Package Manager. And then let's manage our NuGet packages for this project. Let's go up here and write in Umbraco Forms in the search field up here. As you can see, there's quite a few options. In our case, I want to install it on Umbraco 10. So I'm going to find the version for Umbraco 10 down here. As you can see, it's here. So let's click on it. And let's choose the latest version that is stable, which is Umbraco 10.05. Great. Let's just take it up here. And let's go ahead and install Umbraco Forms in our project. Awesome. Now it's installing. And accept the prompt up here. Awesome. Umbraco Forms has now been installed on our project. So let's now go ahead and try and run our project once again. Let's just close this one down and go up here and click Run. Let's just go directly to the back office and wait for it to log us in. Great. Up here, let's go to the Form section again. And as you can see, we now got the section where we can create forms and we can start creating delightful and easy forms for our website. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Jonathan out.